In today's video, we're gonna test this HawkEvo dashcam. This is a 4K dashcam, dual channel, and we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna see the day view and night view video. And we're gonna see the quality, and also we're gonna see how to download the files from the camera today in this video. Let's do it. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the HawkEvo 4K dual dashcam. Okay, and it comes with the dashcam, this one. It has a touch screen in the back, the slot for the SD card, and the connection for the rear camera. Okay, it doesn't come with the SD card, you have to get an extra. That's the USB-C connection for the power. This is the mount for the window. Okay, that's the rear camera with the cable, some extra stickers. This one is the power cable with cigarette lighter connection and USB-C connection, a thank you card, the manual, some clips for the cable, and this is all that come inside of the box. Okay, one cool thing about this camera has magnets here. If you try to put it in the opposite, it won't work. But if you put it on the correct way, look at that. Okay, let's see the features and settings of the camera. This is a touch screen. This is to turn on and off the audio. This one to take a picture. This one to turn on and off the recording of the video. This is the settings, video settings. 2160p by 1080p is 4K and 1080p for the rear, front and rear camera. Okay, you can set it up in there. This one is for the loop recording, 1, 2, or 3 minutes. I always like to leave it in 1 minute because it's faster to download. The G sensor, medium. I always like to leave it in medium. The back mirror, you can turn it on and off. Okay. The next one, switch the sound, you can turn it on, let's leave it on. Auto display off, let's leave it off. The WR is wide dynamic range, just for the, if it's too bright, it will fix the brightness of the camera. Date stamp, I'll leave it on and off, I'm gonna leave it on. Okay, the parking mode, for the parking mode, you need a hard wiring kit if you want it to be on all the time. Okay, so we'll leave it off for now. Okay, the playback for the videos, you can see the videos. My rear camera is upside down, but those are the videos. Okay, this one, the Wi-Fi, you can turn it on. The app connection, split the screen, that is for the view. You can see the front, the rear, or split screen. Leave it in a split screen. A speed watermark, let's leave it on. The time of today, you can send the language here, English, leave it in English. The beep sound, just leave it on for now. Default settings on. Date, you can change the date over there. That's the version of the camera. We're gonna leave it on miles per hour. Okay, GPS on. Okay, frequencies, I always leave it in 60 Hertz. Format, no, because if you wanna format the car, you can do it in there. Okay, so let's return. Now let's download the app and let's see how to download the videos. Okay, first you have to download the app. The name of the app is Dashcam. Okay, then click online. Let's see. You have more options, but let's click online. Okay, it says to go to the Wi-Fi, and on the Wi-Fi look for HawkEvo. Click on that one, put the password, click join, and it's gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, now let's go back to app, click online. It's loading right now. Okay. Let's see, and now it's connected. Now let's see how the app works. Okay, that's the camera. This is my phone with the app, but you see it's connected, the same view. Okay, So this one is to flip the screen. My rear camera is upside down, so I will have to flip that. Doesn't have an option here on the app, so we'll have to flip the camera on the back, okay, the other way. Okay, this is to turn on and off the audio, that one. And let's go to the settings of the app. The SD card name right there, you can change it there if you want, right there. The password, then you can change the resolution. We already did it on the camera, but you can do it here on the app if you want. Loop recording 1 to 3 minutes, you can change it. I only like to leave it in 1 minute. Video stamp on, audio recording on, G sensor medium, the version of the app, the version of this one, available space for everything. You can format the SD card you want or return to factory settings. Okay, so okay, now let's see how to download the videos. You have to click on this one, and then here you have the files. You have this icon on the right side. Click on that one and it will start downloading. You can see it. Sorry, the camera doesn't want to focus, but you can see there 15%, 19%, 20%, okay, until it gets to 100%, okay. But I don't need this video, so I'm not gonna download it right now. That's how to download the videos. Now I already flipped the camera. You can see it here. It's normal. That's the way it's supposed to be, the rear camera, okay. So now let's see the day view and the night view videos. Okay, now it's time to test the camera. This is the day view for the front camera. The front camera is 4K. And in here, no complaints. It looks great. Super nice resolution. Super clear. Everything is readable. I can see it very good. License plates is amazing. You can see it here. Everything is very good. So this is the front camera. The resolution is great. You can see everything super good, nice and clear. Okay, so now let's see the other camera. Okay, now this is the day view. 1080p resolution for the rear camera. You can see a little bit the difference of resolution from the front to the rear, but on the day view, the resolution, it looks good. You can read the license plates. You can see the cars very clean and clear. So no complaints. Still good. 1080p on the day for the rear camera is fine. It looks good. Everything looks good. You can see the cars, you can see the license plates, you can see everything. So this is the rear camera and the resolution is 1080p. Okay, now this is the night view for the front camera. The resolution, the front camera is 4K. The resolution is good. My window is not that clean, so you can see it on the reflection a little bit, not that good, but still the resolution is amazing. You can see the cars, how it looks, the lights, how they look. It's amazing. Super clean, super clear. You can see the license plates. It has a little bit of glare because it's the reflection on the license plate from the car, but as you can see, man, it looks like it's on the day. You can see everything super clean and clear. You can see everything super good. Okay, so for the night view, front camera, everything is amazing. No complaints. Now this is the night view for the rear camera, and the resolution for the rear camera is 1080p. At night, most of the cameras with 1080p resolution, they struggle a little bit because when it's dark, it is hard and gets a little bit grainy because of low light, okay? And the glare of the headlights from the cars, they affect a little bit of the camera. When it gets darker, you cannot see anything, but when you can see a little bit of light and the car gets closer to the camera, everything you can read the license plate and you can see a little bit better. You can see better the license plate, you can see better the cars. But most of the cameras, when they have 1080p resolution on the rear camera at night, they struggle a little bit, but still readable. You can see it a little bit. If the car gets closer to the camera, you can see it, okay? But when it's far away, you cannot see anything, okay? But now that you saw all the videos, you can have an idea, you can see, and you can take your decision, and you can see if you decide to buy this camera. Okay, so the link for this product is gonna be on the description on the video down below. Okay, let me know what you guys think on the comments of the camera. This is a HawkEvo camera. The resolution is 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear. Okay, so all the information is gonna be on the link on the description of the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video. Thanks, bye.